All areas of our lives are modernizing, so why not roads? What will the roads of the future look like? These are three major advances that could revolutionize the road sector that we're going to discover together today. Since the 20th century, with the growing popularity of cars, the road network has continued to expand. As a result, petroleum-based artificial asphalt has become popular, as has concrete pavement. The expansion of the road network may well have contributed to an increasingly urbanized world. But what about today? We're on the cusp of a new revolution, where roads will no longer be just a path covered in asphalt, but rather a way of recycling waste or producing energy. To understand how we arrived at these innovations, we first need to look at the constitution of asphalt. It's a mixture of sand, gravel, bitumen, and various mineral and polymer additives. For over a century, artificial bitumen has been used to replace natural bitumen. But why not replace these polymers with plastic waste? This brilliant idea was the brainchild of Toby McCartney, a Scottish engineer working in India, who was inspired by the practice of local refuse collectors, covering potholes with plastic and then dousing it with petrol and setting fire to it. In this way, the plastic melted and filled in the dents. This innovative idea gives plastic waste a second life, while improving road quality. This method, although not applicable on a large scale, has encouraged the creation of different types of mixes from plastic waste that can replace bitumen. After all, both are hydrocarbons. Products from startup MacReber now replace between 6% and 20% of bitumen in asphalt concrete. They are even capable of replacing up to 50%. In addition to helping to reduce plastic waste, each ton of MacReber mix saves 1 ton of carbon dioxide that would otherwise be emitted in production of bitumen. What's more, these mixes are already being used successfully in several countries. Indeed, roads from Australia to Dubai are being built using MacReber mixes. In the UK, around 20 roads have been built using recycled plastic. According to figures, each kilometer of road would require the use of 740,000 disposable plastic bags. For example, on the 700-meter section of the A709 road in Galloway, 2.3 tons of plastic, the equivalent of 184,000 half-liters of plastic bottles, were used. What's more, the raw materials were collected from the ocean. They have gone one step further, creating roads entirely from recycled plastic. Pilot projects such as cyclepaths in Zwolle and Giethoorn have been launched. For each pilot project, 1 ton of recycled plastic was used to reduce carbon emissions by 70%, compared with the traditional asphalt road variant. Based on the results of the experiment, it can be stated that this pavement can withstand the weight of both pedestrians and cyclists, as well as that of urban cleaning equipment. Thanks to the material's composition and structure, it lasts 3 times longer than asphalt. This eliminates the risk of cracking and deterioration, and reduces maintenance requirements. These pilot projects were built using halo-shaped recyclable plastic blocks for the installation of a rainwater drainage system. The pavement is also equipped with intelligent sensors that can provide information on its condition. What's more, the plastic blocks are easy to install, requiring just a few days to get the road up and running. Since 2021, industrial production of plastic road pavers has begun, with the first international project in a park in Mexico City. Recycled plastic roads are increasingly used in the Netherlands, whether for the construction of pedestrian walkways, cycle paths, parking lots, or other facilities. They are thus seen as an interesting innovation for waste treatment, while also reducing the pollution surrounding this industry. However, the European Union and other developed countries have decided to develop other promising technologies for this sector. In particular, they are turning to an electric road network. Indeed, ecological ambitions aim to phase out fossil-fueled vehicles within 25 years, replacing them with electric vehicles. However, a number of problems remain. The problem of recharging infrastructure for electric vehicles and the low capacity of batteries. To solve these difficulties, an Israeli startup has developed a wireless charging technology for vehicles on the road. Founded in 2013 by Oren Azer and Hannah Rumbach, the company took 5 years to create a system of copper coils laid under the asphalt, enabling electricity to be transferred from the grid to the road by magnetic induction and magnetic resonance. The solution developed by the startup is both efficient and aesthetically pleasing. Cars fitted with special receivers can drive on the road, enabling electricity to be transferred directly to the motor and battery of electric vehicles. The system is managed using cloud computing technologies. The key element of this technology lies in the individual activation of each coil as cars equipped with the receivers pass overhead. Without this activation, the technology remains passive, emitting no harmful energy or radiation to people or animals passing nearby. The viability of this technology has been demonstrated in several projects around the world. For example, a 700-meter stretch of road in Tel Aviv can recharge an electric bus. Every day, it transports university students to the nearest residential area. This is made possible by dynamic wireless recharging on the move and stationary charging to reduce downtime. Other projects, including a 500-meter stretch of road in Karlsruhe, Germany, would enable electric buses equipped with supercapacitor batteries to be charged. Another Italian project is called the Arena of the Future and covers a distance of 1 kilometer. The special copper coils were installed in 2 days by a local Italian team of electricians. A variety of passenger and commercial vehicles will be tested on this track, which has piqued the interest of the Missouri officials. Charging roads are not only a solution for recharging electric vehicles, but can also be a driving force for the development of commercial electrical vehicles. Indeed, if recharging can be done while driving, battery sizes can be reduced to a minimum and the space freed up can be used to transport passengers or goods. Another segment of the transport industry has developed to make our journeys more enjoyable: intelligent traffic jam management. Sometimes, roads can be both a solution and a problem for people living in metropolises, as they are often associated with traffic jams. In 2017, Los Angeles was the world's most congested city, but by 2021, it won't even be in the top 10, thanks to an intelligent system for managing 4,400 traffic lights spread over 1,213 square kilometers. This is the world's first system to control all traffic lights. The system uses hundreds of cameras and sensors installed on the road to measure traffic flow. This data is transmitted to a centralized computer system that adjusts traffic flow to ensure maximum fluidity. For example, if the system detects that a bus is running late, it may give an earlier green light to extend the green light to help the bus catch up. What's more, the system is constantly being improved and expanded. Modern cars have become smartphones on wheels, and electric traction will soon be the norm, even if this won't be immediately apparent. As we've seen, the roads of the future are already here, equipped with innovative, environmentally friendly materials capable of recharging electric vehicles and managing traffic. If you enjoyed our topic of the day, please feel free to like this video. For more videos of this kind, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to leave us suggestions for future topics. Activate the notification bell to be among the first to see our next video. See you soon on aTech.